Hello there. Today I'm going to show you a cool tool that can help you do quite a bit with your Chinese class. This will help you input pinyin with tones into your computer, into your programs without having to memorize a whole bunch of stuff. Go to this website, pinyintones.com, pinyintones.codeplex.com. And we're going to download a tool that will register itself as a different language pack on your computer, which comes in super handy. You can see the system requirements here, how to use on Windows 7 and a few other things. It does work on Windows 10. It does register as a Japanese text service, which seems a little weird since you're trying to type Chinese, but as you can see, there's an explanation for that here. It's just to fix an annoying bug. So, first thing to do, pinyintones.codeplex.com. Click on Downloads. You need to download the right version from here on the left for your computer. How do you know which version you need, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit? Well, here we go. I'll show you how. Click on your Start menu, Computer, and if you right-click over here where it says Computer, find Properties. Now you can see I am running a 64-bit operating system. So that's the one I would download, Pinyintones 64.msi. Okay. Download that, follow all the procedures to get it installed. Once it's installed, there's some cool things you can do with it. So right now I'm typing hello in English. As you can see down here on the bottom of my screen, my system is set up right now for English. But now that I've installed Pinyintones, I can switch that to Japanese, which is actually going to be our Chinese, and I can type ni, and if I put the tone mark, which for ni is 3, see it changes it to a tone mark. How? Type the number 3, and look what happens. I can type right in there. You see it's still in blue. Once I hit enter, then it enters everything into the course and into the thing properly, and we're good to go that way. So you just have to remember to hit enter at the end when you're using. As you can see down here, we're using that. You can go back up and switch to English, and if I hit the number 3, watch what happens. I get a number 3. If I'm in Chinese again, or Japanese, which is our Pinyintones, hello, and number 3, it turns it into a tone mark. Okay, a nice trick when you're switching between languages, rather than having go down to the bottom there and switch, if you use the left shift plus the Alt button on the left side, it will switch between languages quickly. Watch, you see down here where it says English, I'm going to do left shift and Alt, and it switches between all the language packs that I've got installed. So there's my Pinyintones one right there. It's really useful. You have to make sure it's program specific. So right now, if I'm on Japanese in my Word document, watch what happens when I go back to my web browser. See, it switched back to English. So if I want to type Japanese in here, or Pinyintones, I'd have to come here, left shift alt, and now I'll be typing in a different language in this program too. So it depends on the window you have open. Get a hold of me if you have any questions. It's a great, useful tool. Thanks for watching.